Hello, welcome to South Central Service Cooperative's Tech Tuesday. My name is Joanne Womack. I'm the Technology Coordinator Integrationist here at the Co-op, and I will be your host. I hope you enjoyed this week's session.
Hi, today I'm going to be talking about PrintFriendly and PDF. So this is an extension that you can get from the Chrome Web Store. If you go to the Chrome store and you type in PrintFriendly, this is the one you'll be looking for. And then you can add it to Chrome. Mine says remove from Chrome because I already have it installed. So there's some images here that tell you what's going on, but basically what this does is you can print friendly and make a PDF out of any web page. Now, normally you would think print friendly, that means that I will print something. Well, in this day and age, we know that we're doing a lot of things that are blended and virtual. And let's say we have a website that's a great article that we want the kids to read, but we want to get rid of all the ads, especially if they're younger kids, because you really never know what you're going to have show up as far as an ad. Print Friendly removes the ads, it removes the navigation and all the junk before you print. Now it takes a little bit of front loading, so you have to do it, but it optimizes it and makes it a little bit easier to read. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So like I said, you have to have the extension first. I pulled up history.com about a little article about JFK. And you can see on here, it has a lot of ads, and a lot of times they're custom to, what you've searched for, but there's also videos that play, and we don't want the kids, looking at this stuff. We want them to stick to, the content. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the extension, Print Friendly and PDF. It's going to come up in a little window. And then you're going to be able to hover over things you can delete. So I can get rid of this right here if I would like. You can get rid of when it was updated. We're okay with that. Look, it's really cleaned it up pretty well on its own. But you can delete things that you might not necessarily care if the kids go and look at. Like this photo galleries, they can't see any of those. So just delete all of those. Evidence if you want to, or we can delete any of this stuff right here. A lot of times, especially the History Channel, they may be looking at things that, showing you shows that are coming up. So we can just get rid of all this stuff. And let's say we're great with this right here. So we can make a PDF by clicking PDF. I'm going to download my PDF. I'm going to name it. And of course, I'm going to look and see where I'm going to put it. I think I'm just going to put it in my documents, and I'm going to hit save. It comes right down here, so I can click on my PDF. It opens up in Adobe, and this is exactly what I had saved. And I could remove anything that I don't need. And there you go. So if you're wanting to put this in a Google Classroom and use it to, have an article for the kids to read, or if you need to actually print it out to send home for kids, then you're able to do that and remove all the ads. So this is the tech tip for Tuesday this week. I hope you enjoyed it.